Pour warm boiling water. As you can see here, I'm pouring it. I've boiled my water to 100 degrees, and then get your lemongrass. Try to, get the few lemon grasses separated, because sometimes it's stuck on each other. Separate the lemongrass, and don't be worried if you cannot, just break it up. So if you have your grasses, try to break them into small pieces, or cut them into small pieces and just breaking them up. Make sure that you've washed your lemongrass before you do this. So then what you do is you just put it in your teapot. I'm using this type of teapot today. Most of the time I use a glass teapot that separates the herbs from the. Let it sit for a few minutes, I think 1 minute, and then you will have yourself lemongrass tea. And it smells really lovely. It smells like lemon. It's very healthy too. So